Upgrading the OEM halogen light bulbs in your newer vehicle is no longer a hassle with the P-Series Projector LED light kit from Raceport. The halogen incandescent light bulbs in newer vehicles can be insufficient and unsafe when driving at night. Raceport has addressed those problems with their new P-Series Projector LED light kit. This kit will replace those bulbs with newer LED technology, providing more power to see farther and see better on the road or trails. These 60-watt light bulbs pump out over 4,700 lumens. But quality is also important. Raceport took a look at the marketplace and went one step further. They have developed this LED bulb to give a 100% perfect beam pattern in your projector. That gives you a true 360-degree beam down road. That's more power and more focus. This is a complete, worry-free solution to add LED technology to your vehicle. Upgrading the OEM halogen light bulbs in your newer vehicle is no longer a hassle with the P-Series Projector LED kit from Raceport.